In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok no internet connections. If you have this problem on your TikTok, here is exactly how you can fix it. So the first method, guys, I'm going to show you a couple of methods that you can do to fix this problem 100%. Just follow the steps in this video and you will be able to fix this problem. So the first thing, guys, you need to do, like, you have to know first that you either have to use your Wi-Fi or you have to use your internet on your phone, like the internet that comes on your phone, which is 4G or 3G, as you can see here, or you can use your Wi-Fi if you want. You can use either of these. Now, if you still have that problem, that means you have a problem with your network connection. Like, so the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to go to settings. I am going to show you how to fix this even on Android phones. Now let's start with iPhone phones. Now you want to go to settings and go to general, and after that you want to click on iPhone storage. Now after you click on iPhone storage, you want to search for TikTok, and after that you want to click offload app. Don't worry, you are not going to lose any password. Like, you don't have to enter again the password or anything like that. Just wait after it's done, and then it will say the reinstall. Click on reinstall app and wait a few seconds. Now, if the problem is not solved, now after you reinstall the app, if the problem is not solved, you want to go to, now try and see if the problem is solved or not. If not, you want to go to settings, and after that go back and then click on here, cellular, I don't know how to pronounce this. As you can see here, it's under the Bluetooth. You want to click it and then click on you want to scroll down a little bit and make sure you haven't you turn this on for TikTok. Some people have it turned off, like they just stopped the internet from using the TikTok, like they stopped TikTok from using the internet. That's why it's turned off. Now you have to turn it on, and now go to TikTok and see if it works. If it doesn't work, turn off your phone and turn it on again, and then if you are using Wi-Fi, just turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again and see if it works. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and let me know in the comments if it does work. I will tell you, I will reply to every single comment. Please drop a like and subscribe.